Hello students, in our last video we completed second uses of dimensional analysis. Now in today's video we see third uses of dimensional analysis. So what is third use? Third use is to find the conversion factor between the units of same physical quantity in two different systems of units. म्हणजे काय? आपण एखादी भौतिक राशी घेतली, समजा फोर्स घेतली आणि तिचे मोजमापाचे दोन पद्धती घेतल्या, एक सीजीएस घेऊ, एक एसआय सिस्टीम एक घेऊ, आणि एका सिस्टीमचं रूपांतर दुसऱ्यामध्ये करण्यासाठी या डायमेन्शनचा उपयोग होतो. हा आहे त्याचा तिसरा उपयोग. तर आपण तो उदाहरणाने सिद्ध करू. For that we consider a physical quantity force, and we know that the SI unit of force is Newton. So we write here force, its SI unit is Newton. We write here 1 Newton is equal to, and its CGS unit, this is the SI unit, and CGS unit is a dyne. CGS unit is a dyne. First, we calculate dimension of force. So force, it is the product of mass and acceleration. So we write here dimension of force is equal to, for mass we take m raised to power 1, and dimension of acceleration is nothing but it is a change in velocity per unit time. That means for change in velocity, we write here L1 t minus 1 divided by time t raised to power 1. When we solve this, we get dimension of force is equal to, here we write m raised to power 1, L raised to power 1, t raised to power. Take this denominator into numerator, it shifted, then it becomes t raised to power minus 1. So we write here t raised to power minus 1 into t raised to power minus 1, it is equal to t raised to power minus 2. So this is the dimension of force. Now substitute this dimension here. So we get 1 into Newton, that means 1 into dimension of force m1 L1 t minus 2, it is equal to x into dyne. Dyne is the CGS unit of force. Now substitute dimension of force here again. We get m1 L1 t raised to power minus 2. So what is x? Here x is a conversion factor. X is a conversion factor. या ठिकाणी x म्हणजे काय? x म्हणजे हा रूपांतरित करणारा घटक आहे, ज्याची किंमत आपल्याला या ठिकाणी कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. सो वी राईट हियर that is equal to 1. So m raised to power 1, that means here mass is measured in 1 time. In SI unit, mass is measured in kilogram. So we write here 1 kilogram into, here length in SI system is measured in meter. So we write here 1 meter into time. In SI system, time is measured in second. So So we write here s raised to power minus 2, secant raised to power minus 2 is equal to x into, here in CGS system, mass is measured in gram. So we write here 1 gram. Length. Length is measured in centimeter. So we write here 1 centimeter. Again time. In CGS system, time is measured in second. It is measured in 2 times. So it is equal to s raised to power minus 2 again. Second raised to power minus 2. We have to calculate value of x. So we get, therefore, x equal to, on right hand side this quantity is multiplied, take into left hand side, we get x equal to 1 kilogram divided by 1 gram. Shift this quantity here into 1 meter divided by 1 centimeter. Second raised to power minus 2 divided by second raised to power minus 2. Now convert kilogram into gram. We know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So we write here it is equal to 1000 gram divided by 1 gram. Now convert meter into centimeter. We know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So we write here 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter. Here second raised to power minus 2 as it is second raised to power minus 2. So this is getting cancelled. Second raised to power minus 2 getting cancelled with this. Here centimeter getting cancelled with this. Gram is cancelled with between this. So gram getting cancelled. Centimeter getting cancelled. Second raised to power minus 2 getting cancelled. So we get, therefore, x equal to 1000. 1000 can be written in indices form. So that can be written as 10 to the power 3 into 100. 100 can be written in 10 to the power 2. So we get x equal to, in bracket, 10 to the power 3 multiply by 10 to the power 2. Here again, using formula of indices. What is formula? A raised to power n multiply by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Here base is same. There is a multiplication between these two. Then we add 3 plus 2. Here like that. A raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Similarly, we get that is equal to 10 to the power 3 plus 2. So that is equal to 10 to the power 5. This is the value of x. Now substitute this value of x here. We get 1 Newton is equal to x dyne. So therefore 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. That means if we take one physical quantity, that is a force, and we take two different systems of units, this is SI system, another is CGS system, then one system is converted into another system. That means here for force 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power 5 dyne. तर हा आहे मितीचा तिसरा उपयोग, that is the third use of dimension. Similarly, another example we also solve here. We know that we taken second example. We know that there is another quantity work. What is mean by work? So work done is equal to, it is a product of force into displacement. Now substitute dimension of force here. So we get m1 L1 T minus 2 into what is dimension of distance or displacement? It is nothing but it is a length. For length we use letter L. So L is a power 1. Now convert this L and L together. We get m1 L raised to power 1 multiply by L raised to power 1. Using this formula we get 1 plus 1 2 T raised to power minus 2. So that is the dimension of work. Then we take its two units, SI unit and CGS unit. For SI unit, we know that SI unit of work is joule. So we write here 1 joule is equal to, here SI unit of work is joule and CGS unit of work is ergs. So we write here 1 joule is equal to X ergs, where X is a conversion factor. Now substitute dimension of work here. So we get 1. Here is only change, single change. We write here M1 L2 T minus 2 is equal to X. Here substitute dimension of work again. M1 L2 T minus 2. Now convert here. 1, here mass is measured in kilogram. So here is the power 1. So we write here 1 kilogram. Then length. Length is measured in meter. But there are square of meter. So we write here meter square. Time is measured in second. So here T raised to power minus 2. So we write here second raised to power minus 2. Now right hand side X. Here mass is measured in CGS in grams. So there is m raised to power 1. So we write here only 1 gram. Then here L raised to power 2. So we write here 1 centimeter raised to power 2. Then time is measured in CGS unit in second. Here second time raised to power minus 2. So we write here second raised to power minus 2. Now we have to find value of X. So take this value on left hand side. So we get X equal to 1 kilogram divided by 1 gram. Here 1 meter square divided by 1 centimeter square. Second raised to power minus 2 divided by second raised to power minus 2. Now convert kilogram into gram. We know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So convert this 1 kg equal to 1000 gram divided by 1 gram. Now here is change. Here we convert 1 meter square. See here 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 1 meter square is equal to 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So we write here, we take again one term is added here, that is 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter into s raised to power minus 2 divided by s raised to power minus 2. That is the addition part here only. Now here is again centimeter get cancelled with this centimeter, second raised to power minus 2 get cancelled, second to minus 2. Now we can write here x equal to 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. 100 can also be written as 10 to the power 2. Now there is another 100. This can be written as again 10 to the power 2. So we write here x equal to 1000 is written in indices form 10 to the power 3. 100 can be written at 10 to the square. Again second 100 can be written at 10 square using formula a raised to power m plus n. A raised to power m into a raised to power n, it is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So we write here 10 to the power 3 plus 10 to the power 2 plus 10 to the power 2. So we write here 3 plus 2 plus 2, that is equal to 10 to the power 7. So this is the value of x, where x is a conversion factor. Now substitute this value here. So we write here 1 joule is equal to x ergs. Now put value of x. So we write here 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 ergs. That means when we take a physical quantity like work done, there are two types of systems of our measurement, SI system and CJ system. Here in SI system, work is measured in joule. In CJ system, work is measured in ergs. So we convert here 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 ergs. So that is the third use of dimensional analysis. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण आता हा तिसरा उपयोग पाहिला मितीचा. आपण एखादी भौतिक राशी घेतली, त्याच्या मोजमापाच्या दोन पद्धती घेतल्या, एका मोजमापाच्या पद्धतीचं रूपांतर दुसऱ्यामध्ये करण्यासाठी या मितीचा उपयोग होतो. अशा प्रकारे हे मितीचे 3 उपयोग आहेत. बाकीचं पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये.